Dear student, I hope you're doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied the topic which is maintaining water quality. And today we are going to study another very important topic which is composition of waters. Now, let's discuss on details. Composition of water. Understanding the composition of water helps us know its chemical nature and properties. Chemical composition of water. Water is a chemical compound made up of two elements, hydrogen, oxygen. Its chemical formula is H2O. This means two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen. Formation of waters. Water is formed when hydrogen reacts with oxygen. Chemical reactions 2H2 plus O2 give 2H2O. This reaction shows that hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water. Nature of water molecules. The water molecules has a bent V-shaped structure. The angles between hydrogen atoms is about 104.5 degree. Oxygen atom is more electronegative than hydrogen. Because of this, water is a polar molecule. Polarity of water. In a water molecule, oxygen carries a partial negative charge, hydrogen carries a partial positive charge. This makes water a polar compound. Polarity is responsible for many important properties of water. Hydrogen bonding in water. Water molecules attract each other through hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding occurs between hydrogen of one molecules, oxygen of another molecules. This gives water special properties like high boiling point, high surface tension, ability to dissolve many substances. Water is a universal solvent. Water is known as a universal solvent because it can dissolve many substances. Examples: salts, sugars, gases. This property is important for biological processes, industrial uses. Summary of composition of water. Water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen. Chemical formula is H2O. It is a polar molecule. It shows hydrogen bonding. It acts as a universal solvent. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on composition of waters. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.